Are you vlogging?
Zip, yeah.
Are we back? Is this the return?
Yeah, perhaps.
It's the return of the Lucy Geraghty vlog!
Hi, we're in Ireland, and it's been quite some time. So, basically I moved here about a month ago now, and I'm just applying to jobs, so I've just been chilling, moving pretty slowly, doing some schoolwork and stuff. Yeah, so I picked up the camera the other day, and I'm sitting here doing some work stuff, like putting together my resume and all that. Yeah, so I'm getting a job, and right now I'm in our apartment. Oh my gosh, and I'm wearing a coat because I've just been so cold. And our room's a bit of a mess right now, but this is where I'm just studying. There's the foam roller, but honestly I don't even know where to start, so I'm just gonna show you guys my view, and maybe I'll do like an updatey video soon. I've been breaking out too because I've been eating the worst stuff. Not the worst stuff, but like very random stuff. Okay, that's the ocean on the horizon. I need to mess around with this camera because the lighting's been all weird. Oh, and I'm wearing my sweatshirt from Change, which is the sustainable brand, and I got it like before Christmas time, so I've had it for like almost a year, but I don't know, I haven't worn it that much, but it's so nice. But also look at, so cute. Oh, and also Tara, my only roommate right now, like we're gonna have another roommate sooner or later because we have 2 rooms downstairs that are both empty. But yeah, so my only roommate, Tara, is downstairs doing homework as well. That's where the water is, right down there. This is so pretty. Wow. We're going back to Geraghty for the weekend. And here's me. This is Friday evening. I was sick this morning, but we're chilling. Did a lot of work yesterday, so that was good. Sorry about the glare. There. So pretty. Hey guys, good morning from me in the cow field. And by good morning I mean good evening because it's like 5. I was feeling sicky earlier, wow. Okay, so here I am, and yeah, I felt sicky today. I've been kind of sick this week. Hello. Roger!
Are you vlogging?
Zip, yeah.
Are we back? Is this the return?
Yeah, perhaps. It's really pretty out, so I just felt like vlogging even though I was in bed sicky most of the day. Hello, Raj.
How did I know you were talking to me?
Of course I was talking to Roger. Wow, look at how beautiful. We saw a rainbow earlier. This is the Patagonia hat that I brought, but I've been giving it to Dara because his head is littler. It fits him better.
Now, so I just didn't have a hat.
Yeah, you didn't have a hat, but also
it has nothing to do with my size.
It fits you. It fits you better. No, yeah, I have other hats. It's never. Oh, hello. muddy, muddy paws.
I love when you can see the dew on the top of the grass.
Oh.
Like if you look out into the distance, you can just see like little highlights on top.
Yeah, okay, I'm having trouble. Oh wait.
What's up?
It wasn't like the
Touch as fuck cancelled.
touch autofocus.
No, I'm gonna say as fuck.
But like, see, once you go like that, it just goes so dark.
Oh, your camera sucks.
Bye. I think I just need to mess around with the,
Yeah, give it some time.
I was messing around with the exposure.
This pot exploded somehow. What happened to this pot?
Roger. Oh, there he is. Heyo!
Roger loves to be outside with your
Wee! Hello! Hello!
Oh my god, you're actually right up in the
Yeah. Oh, they're so cute. Ah! That's what happened to my coat. My coat. He's
That's why I
so
don't
cute.
like to put too much emphasis on material things. Wow, that's really beautiful.
Oh wow. Yeah. That's so pretty, and that's the lake. It's Roger's tennis court.
And that's your Rob. Over there, he's doing the
Yard.
He's doing the yard.
Wow.
Roger
It's
loves it.
so pretty. Hello, Raj.
Not really worried about it.
Sorry. Yeah. Gotta come up here to get the shot because it doesn't focus well on the bricks. I had this guy.
You keep rambling.
You keep rambling.
Yeah, like I forgot to put it in the story.
That's so spook.
And it was like
Just
something out of a
huge
horror
tree.
movie.
Yeah.
Like toilet water flowing up through the toilet and out. It was like overflowing. Just
Yeah.
I was like, wow, this is fucked. And I remember because I would be like, yeah, do,
and he like
you could
made
walk it,
noise.
like,
Yeah. His walking made so much noise.
It did make so much noise.
We're at a rooftop bar in Geraghty at the hotel. And it's so cute. Wow. And then the lake is right within this area. My sweet boyfriend with my sweet beer.
I like this stuff.
It's cute. But yeah, I really enjoy this. It's so cute. And the little heater and everything. Oh. Yeah, there's the lake. Cheers. Wee, Roger. So bright out. Zip. So cute. Hello. Hello, Raj. Hello. Oh, you're so cute.
Ready? 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 Go! Come here. Come here.
Zip. Aww.
Ready? 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 Go!
Good boy. It's so cute.
Come on.
Come on, Raj.
Come on. Stop peeing. Oh, now come.
Eto.
You found the smell.
Zip.
Did you find the smell?
Little Kitty's gonna be holding on the fort because Dara's parents are going off to Zambia tomorrow for 3 weeks. All the packing. All the packing. Ooh. I also realized I had Roger hop into the trunk because he looked so excited, but now he's just been sitting in the trunk alone.
Oh, he loves it. I was gonna show you.
Also, so beautiful. Yeah, we should.
He will not get out.
That's what I was thinking. I feel like he looked very comfy. See the rolling hills.
It's not even that he likes the car, he just wants to go somewhere.
He's just super excited. Whew. Oh.
Okie dokie.
Annie Oakley. Hello, Raj.
I wanna know if you ever
You can get WhatsApp on a laptop, can't you?
Oh,
it has to be connected to your phone.
Yeah, I think it might be.
There is a web service. There is an app.
Right.
It's a web service for.
I don't have my seatbelt on
You
yet.
can't use the browser version if you haven't got your phone on you. So it's not a replacement. It's just if you want to text in class. Your laptop open.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
I have on my
fair.
laptop, so I'm thinking I can set it up with Granny's
But you'll have to.
computer, but the phone will have to be sitting beside the computer.
The phone has to be sitting beside it.
Oh yeah.
And I think sometimes they put up like a QR code or something and you just scan on your phone and then it'll give you a message. But it's finicky like this.
Hi, Sandy. Hello. She's so cute. She's so cute. Frolic. Look at all the sheep. Can you see him now? Yeah. So many sheep. Oh, Zip! Oh, Zip! Oh, you're peeing. You're gonna step straight in it. Yeah. Yeah, I probably stepped straight in it. Sandy has a tennis ball in her mouth.
Oh, you're reversing. It's time for Chinese.
It's time for me to make our way.
Staring at us?
I mean, I just made eye contact with him and we kept making eye contact. He didn't look away and he's driving by and he's just staring.
God, I hate that.
Sometimes I just want to be like, what?
What is it? What is it? Tell me. Give it to me straight,
I
dog.
said, I'm waiting for you to look away because I don't want people peeping at my girl, bruh.
We just went to the supermarket and we'll do
Hi.
hi, and we'll do an overview of everything we got when we get back.
Oh, is that what we're doing now?
Yeah, because I didn't show them in the supermarket, but honestly, if I started filming in the supermarket, I don't know. People would have looked at me like I was crazy.
Shot.
Yeah. No, it's just
kidding, you're not in America anymore.
yeah, no more. No more. No more guns. We're in Ireland.
The road, Jack. Don't you come back. No more, no more, no more, no more.
The water's all the way down there. That's what I was trying to zoom in on earlier, but because there's the water, the bay. I don't know. Because I was trying to show them the sailboat. Wait, I'm gonna stop so that they can see. See that? Okay, see that sailboat? Oh my God, Tweak. I realized it looks like I'm like having a seizure if I move at all when it's zoomed in. This is our plant. She's a Dracanis.
That's true.
I have not yet repotted her because she looks fragile. See, she's sensitive to fluoride in the water and sunlight. It says indirect sunlight, so whoops. So maybe she's like a vampire and her skin's burning, but I don't know. Let us do a haul. We got pasta. A lot of pasta. And this is our typical haul. I would say. But now it's so far down. No! Oh, okay. Yeah, here. Fair. Dara got cider. He likes cider. So we have pasta, salami. Not for me. It's poison. I got soup. It's spooky spiced pumpkin.
Spooky spiced pumpkin.
And it's vegan. And then I got veggie earth, super green pesto. This stuff is so good. It's expensive.
Box and leave you in pieces next to film.
Could they not hear? They probably can't hear me because it's just difficult.
That's what I'm saying. What? No, I'm saying, do you want me to leave you alone and turn off the kettle and shit and set you up a little bit better? Because I don't know if this is a great angle.
Yeah, I know it's not a good angle. That's why I put it on the thing.
Sorry.
Weird thing that
I had to unpack the boots.
you had to. So we're taking it from the top. So we got fusilli. It's also €1 for this whole bag, so that's been a staple. We got 2 baguettes, and these ones you just heat up in the oven. And I'm not happy that it's in the plastic wrap, but like you gotta do what you gotta do. Then I got this pumpkin butternut squash, coconut, and chili soup. It's called Spooky Spiced Pumpkin. So that's fun. It's vegan. And then I got and then I got
That's a good idea.
Veggie Earth super green pesto. It's vegan, dairy-free, gluten-free, nut-free. Oh, nut-free. It has and it has nutritional yeast, which I've been missing so much. So that's awesome. We also got pizza. This is for Dara, and he got salami as well. And then and then this pizza, because I've been eating pizza since the springtime, like when I crave it, because I started having dreams that I was eating a whole pizza, like in my dreams. So I'd wake up and be like, I think I'm having some issues, and then so I decided that I needed to have pizza because life's too short. And then got all this other stuff. Oh, okay. And then I got hummus. Hummus. Like that's so weird the way it's spelled.
Hummus.
Hummus. That sounds alright. Thick chicken for Dara. We got some tomato and basil soup because I've been sick like last week, so I'm trying to be on the mend. I also got...
It's the return of the Lucy Geraghty vlog! Are you guys enjoying the video?
Hopefully.
Everybody go to the comments and say, yeah, Dara, I'm enjoying the video. I really missed all the videos.
Aww. Yeah, only if you feel that way. And then we got Lloyd Grosson's tomato and chili pasta sauce, because before we got the tomato and basil, and you don't like tomato and basil, but I like a little spice.
I don't hate it. It's just not the best.
It wasn't the best, yeah.
I only
Fair.
like the best.
I only like the best. And then we got petit pois and sweet. I was like like petit pois et un peu de corn.
It's French.
Yeah.
What is petit pois? Just peas.
Peas, yeah, small peas. Small green peas and corn.
Petit pois is gonna be your name in my phone.
Yeah.
No, I'm just kidding. It's gonna be thick chicken.
Thick chicken. Thank you. Oh yeah, I think I'll show you guys, because we do have the, maybe I should open this window, because we do, are you kidding me? I just said I was gonna, was that a joke, or were you actually closing the window? So I got sweet potatoes the other day. Sweet potatoes, because, yeah, twice actually. I got 4 sweet potatoes, because I want to make sweet potato gnocchi. And then I also have all the stuff for tofu fried rice, which is like rice wine vinegar, sesame oil, that's rice back there. And then soy sauce. And we have some beans and stuff, and honey, and this is their Caesar dressing, and some soups, and then pasta sauce, and then coconut milk, and marshmallows for when I need Rice Krispie treats. And then the Rice Krispies for the Rice Krispie treats, and this is more of the pasta. And then that's all the spices we have thus far. But guys, oh my god, look at this. Peanut butter. It's the biggest thing of peanut butter. It's huge and it's just like natural. And I was like, what? I think it was like $5 or something. Yeah, so that's a steal. Nutella for when I need it. And we don't have a dishwasher, and we had a little crisis with the sink at the beginning, and clearly we have some dishes left. But
What are you talking about? Those are clean.
well, those aren't.
Oh.
But and then veggie burgers. I've been eating a lot of veggie burgers. They're so good. I'll show you guys the brand I get. And then yeah, I got mushrooms last week, and I got falafel that I'm gonna try. And we have like spinach and cauliflower and stuff. But we were away for the weekend, so we just got back. It's Sunday evening. Oh yeah, so this is what I've been eating. So good. Strong Roots. They have really good food, frozen food. It's like vegan. Yeah, so sweet potato fries, then pumpkin and spinach burger. Seinfeld. I need to make some food. I'm so hungry. I haven't eaten today because I've been sicky. But we're moving up. I got some soup and I got baguette, so I'm gonna try that. Maybe I have sweet potato gnocchi another day this week. I'll show you guys that because it's literally my favorite recipe. And I don't even measure it out or anything. I just like go for it, I guess. Sorry, I'm filming my face. I'm not used to this. Which I think I'm gonna try. Should I do the spooky spiced? Yeah, honestly, spooky spiced pumpkin it is.
Are you talking to me or the vlog?
Both.
Guys, leave a comment below. What do you think we should have? The spooky spice?
The spooky spice or the tomato basil? No, it's okay. I'm having the spooky spiced.
Please comment quickly because I'm gonna be very hungry.
Yeah, I'm starving.
Me too.
Yeah, what should we do? I don't know if I should have.
Pizza time.
Saying pizza. Will I be sick if I have pizza? Maybe. Yeah, probably, honestly. Who's to say? Probably me, but I don't know right now. The pesto is so good though. I'm excited to pizza time. What is it?
It's pizza time.
Oh, and I've been drinking Merlot and Pinot Noir from this brand. I am vegan wine. Whoa! This whole time it's been vegan.
You mean there's no milk?
And I didn't even, well, obviously there's, but I mean, maybe it's made like in a specifically good way. But yeah, I've been drinking Pinot Noir usually, but they didn't have any left, so I got Merlot. So I was drinking Merlot the end of last week. Not gonna be drinking probably this week because tummy's been so sensitive. Gonna drink up. Look at this water bottle. I think I had it for all of college. I don't know how, but this is the only one that survived college. I had the Lululemon one that was so nice, and I lost it. Yeah, I dropped it. And this is when the white skid thingy came into play. I think I hit the wall, honestly. It fell off the bed, it bounced and like hit the wall. Who would have thought? Who would have thought? But alright, that's it for now. We got the baguette going. And we got the spooky spiced pumpkin guy. Bubbling away. It smells amazing. Yum. Thanks. So now I'm gonna try the soup. Very good.
I hope everyone who's looking at it does not go crazy we're filming this.
Yeah, I don't mind.
Neither do I.
Nom. And then we dipped some bread in. I got some butter in case I wanted a little bit more of something. And it's now 6:21 p.m. It was my first meal, so I'm hungry. But stomach, tummy, whatever her face is, has been a bit on the fritz. I had some grapes this morning, that was it. And by this morning I mean 2 p.m. when I got out of bed. This is so good. I know what I'm gonna be having like literally every day this fall. It says it's the special of the month. Oh my gosh, also guys, I got these candles because I don't know why I feel very strongly about getting like essential oil soy blend candles because I don't want to be inhaling things that are like not good. I don't know, but yeah, this one smells so good. Weathered wood. It smells like sandalwood to me. I love sandalwood candles. Oh, sorry, I'm just grabbing the other candle. This one is Lakeside Rain, and it smells so good too. Jera was sick when we went to get the candles, so I just picked them out and I was like, hopefully you like it. But yeah, because he couldn't even smell. But now he's slowly but surely getting less sick. So yeah, we've already been using these candles quite a lot. They smell so good. And they're Tuscany candle. Yeah, that's the brand. And they're just in this glass jar. I really love them. And just like the black tops. It's so my vibe. I love. And then our little plants, we got those on the same day, so I felt like we were wrapping our little home together. Yeah, our little apartment came with like the furniture and the like artwork stuff that you see, and it came with all the like the plates, utensils, like everything. But we're staying in like a student village type thing. Even though I'm not a student, it just so happened that that Jera's family like owns the property, had been renting it out, and so they were like, oh, just don't rent it out and my son will stay there with his girlfriend, and we're gonna get another roommate. We've been on the look because we have our bedroom upstairs as 2 beds. It's like 2 single beds right now. We might try to see if we can get like a double like a queen or whatever and like a queen mattress put in, but that it's just like a bit of a mess. But oh yeah, and there's 2 single rooms downstairs, and we were just gonna rent one of them out so that when like Gretchen comes to visit or like people are coming and going, like they can just stay there. So yeah, that's the plan. But right now it's just been me and Jera, so it's been so nice because we can just arrange things how we want. Like we got here and the whole setup was different with the couches and like this table and stuff, but I moved it around quickly. And yeah.
Please hold the handrails when the bus is moving or coming to a stop. Ver Brian, le the hull, Erna Love Raleigh, nor at all on bus ag Lucia.